Bunnyarl the Flies and Wurunnunnah the Bees by Brantley, Haven, Adeline, Thomas, and Trayvon.
There were two groups of people, the Bunnyarl and the Wurunnunnah. They were family and they lived in one camp. The Wurunnunnah worked very hard. They always gathered food, even when there was already enough. They did this so that they would have enough later. The Bunnyarl did not think about the future. They wasted their time playing. They never thought about getting enough food for later.
One day the Wurunnunnah said to come out with us. We are going to gather honey from flowers. Soon the winter winds will blow the flowers away. Then there will be no more honey to gather.
No, said the Bunnyarl, we have something to do here. And off they went, wasting their time. They knew that the Wurunnunnah would share their honey with them.
The Wurunnunnah went alone and left the Bunnyarls to waste their time, and the Wurunnunnah gathered the flowers and stored the honey and never more went back to live with the Bunnyarls, for they were tired of doing all the work. As time went on, Wurunnunnah were changed into little wild beasts, and the lazy Bunnyarl was changed into flies.